How easy is it to get started on the stock market, and can I do it all by myself, or do I need a financial advisor for that? Those questions kept me up at night after I heard that I could make my money grow in the stock market. I wish I had found this video to know how easy and quick it was back then. In these modern times, you can buy stocks from the comfort of your home, just with your phone. All you need is an investment app. Therefore, you need to pick a reputable brokerage firm. If you don't know which one to pick, check out the 2 links I'll post in my description. But if you're looking for more options, a quick look at Investopedia. They rank Fidelity and TD Ameritrade the highest. In general, you should check for any fees, which asset they provide, and a brokerage firm which doesn't look too gamified, because you don't want to play with your money, right? You need to choose your investment account. There are 3 different options: a normal stock account, a 401k, and an IRA. Or for my northern friends up in Canada, a TFSA or RSP. Those options are really important, and you should take time to look into them. To give you a quick and general guide, a 401k is an employer-sponsored account, and many employers match your contribution. This means if you have a match of, let's say, 8% and you contribute 8% of your income, your employer gives you 8% too. So it's to be like free money. Also, the contribution is pre-tax, which means you can lower your taxed income. But after withdrawing your money when you retire, it will be taxed. An IRA is an individual retirement plan. You will contribute with your already taxed money, but the gains when you retire will be tax-free. As this is just general information, please talk to a professional advisor about which option suits your situation best. After you decided for which account you're going and you put in all the necessary personal information, you need to fund your account, because without any money, you can't buy any assets, right? To keep it simple, I'm going to take a normal investment account. After you funded your money, you can start buying your assets. All you have to do is search for the wanted company or investment. You have to make a very wise choice here, and not just buy the stock because a colleague from work or a random dude from the internet like me told you about this hot stock. As soon as you make your choice, you can buy the stock. Here's a quick example. I will look up Apple. If you wanted to spend $1,000, you can buy around 5 shares of Apple at the time of this video. After clicking on buy, you're the proud owner of this share. But how are you going to make money from your investment? The more profitable the companies, the higher the shares will be worth. If you bought your first Apple stock 5 years ago, it was priced at $42, you would have gained 358% of your initial investment. Means you would have made $150 of profit per share. But remember, stock prices can also go down. As I said, you have to make a very wise choice and think about the risks and the goal. If you're a complete beginner and ready to do your research, here's a deep dive into a beginner's friendly investment I've been sticking with, and which gives me a return of about 10% every year.